Hey guys, today we will learn how to stop snoring. First, try sleeping on your side instead of your back to prevent your tongue from blocking your airway. Keep your bedroom air moist by using a humidifier to reduce congestion. Avoid alcohol and heavy meals before bedtime as they can relax your throat muscles and worsen snoring. Maintain a healthy weight through regular exercise and a balanced diet to reduce excess tissue in your throat. Consider using nasal strips or a mouthpiece designed to keep your airway open while you sleep. Remember, if snoring persists despite these measures, it's important to consult a doctor to rule out any underlying health issues. That's it. Follow these simple steps to help stop snoring and enjoy a quieter, more restful sleep.